Hello everyone, my name's Joe. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the EVGA XE Ultra Black Edition of the RTX 2060. So I've seen a couple other unboxings. I'm not going to do a really long one. I just basically want to hold up the key features for you guys to take a look at. I'm not going to go over them myself. There are too many to do, and you can see here they have it available in many different languages. They speak of the Precision X1 software for overclocking. Other than that, real plain Jane looking box, nothing special, nothing to write home about. It's much smaller than the last graphics card that I ever received. So we do gotta break the seal, and I have a special knife that I use just for opening special equipment like this. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. I won't open the bottom for now because I don't think I need to. Let's go ahead and see what's inside here. Looks like we've got some bubble wrap. We'll go ahead and get the box out of here for now. See what we've got here. Little warning label. Electrostatic sensitive area. Do not enter without proper electrostatic safety equipment. Okay. Well, we're not having any problems with static right now, but I will touch the metal parts of my case just in case. Go ahead and pull off the bubble wrap. Gotta say, I'm a little surprised to see such kind of a lack of packaging on EVGA's part. Really not much to this. Just a box, some bubble wrap, some foam with some EVGA adhesive. And there we go. There's the wrapped up RTX 2060 XE Ultra Black Edition. Let's go ahead and pull it out of its electrostatic bag here. Go ahead and set that down, take a look at. Get this bag kicked off to the side and let's take a closer look. Now you'll notice that the peel is done, and that's because about halfway through doing this, my phone completely decided to die and I had to stop. So you'll see a cut in there somewhere where I had to start this over again. But anyway, this is the card. It was a terrible, terrible peel, by the way. You didn't miss much. This actually did not come off in one piece and was quite the mess. But basically, unfortunately on the 2060s from EVGA, I don't believe any of the regular ones come with a backplate. I do know that the 2060 Super does come with a backplate, at least I believe the ones that I have seen, and the 2060 KO also comes with a backplate. Here we just get the slight mini backplate over the open fan area. And just top, this doesn't light up from what I'm told, it's just a logo. You see the XE logo there. I did notice no port covers on this card whatsoever, which is the first time that's actually ever happened to me on any graphics card I'd ever purchased to not have port covers. You can see it looks like 2 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, 1 DVI. This DVI does not support VGA. I do know that. Luckily it does have the slot cover. And other than that, that's basically it. So I'm not going to go too much into depth. This was literally just a what's in the box. I guess there is one more thing. And that is the EVGA GeForce GTX GeForce RTX installation guide. If you need this, go ahead and make sure you read through it. It kind of goes over all the different options for the display outs they have. They even talk about connecting two-way SLI, which you cannot do with the 2060, so it doesn't even apply. Other than that, that's it for now. So that's my quick unboxing of the EVGA 2060, no frills. I will be putting it in my system, and I have run a bunch of benchmarks on my original RX 480 that I'm replacing with this card. And the system is running on a 6600K, so there will be some situations in which the CPU is going to probably hold back this card. It doesn't happen very often right now with the RX 480, but I am pretty sure this is just going to amplify the problem I have in a few games. So we'll see how that does. I will actually be posting benchmark numbers on the channel later, So if there's something you want to see that was in a comparison between the RX 480 and the GTX or RTX, RTX 2060, then check the channel later on at a later date, and hopefully those numbers will be up relatively soon. I ran it quite through a few benchmarks, some synthetic, some gaming, and you'll see how it turns out. So thanks for watching, and I hope I catch you in the next one.